Engaging in regular yoga practice has been associated with several benefits for the brain, including potential effects on brain structure and matter. Here are some key points related to yoga and brain matter. 1. Increased gray matter. Some studies suggest that practicing yoga may be associated with increased gray matter volume in certain brain regions. Gray matter consists of the neuronal cell bodies and plays a role in various cognitive functions. Specifically, yoga practitioners have shown increased gray matter volume in areas such as the prefrontal cortex, hippocampus, and insula, which are involved in emotional regulation, attention, memory, and self-awareness. 2. Brain plasticity. Yoga may contribute to brain plasticity, the brain's ability to reorganize and form new connections. Regular yoga practice, which often involves a combination of physical postures, breathing exercises, and meditation, has been linked to changes in brain connectivity, promoting neural networks associated with attention, stress regulation, and emotional processing. 3. Stress reduction. Chronic stress can have detrimental effects on the brain, including shrinking certain brain regions involved in memory and emotional regulation. Yoga's emphasis on breath control and mindfulness techniques can help reduce stress levels, leading to potential positive effects on brain structure and function. For mindfulness and cognitive function, yoga incorporates mindfulness practices that promote present moment awareness and focused attention. Regular mindfulness training has been associated with improved cognitive functions such as attention, working memory, and executive function, which involve the prefrontal cortex and other brain regions associated with cognitive control. 5. Brain health and aging. Research suggests that engaging in activities that promote brain health, including physical exercise and mindfulness practices like yoga, may have protective effects against age-related brain changes and cognitive decline. Yoga's combination of physical movement, mental focus, and stress reduction may contribute to maintaining brain health as we age. While studies have shown promising links between yoga practice and brain structure, it's important to note that more research is needed to fully understand the mechanisms and long-term effects. Additionally, individual responses to yoga can vary, and the benefits may depend on factors such as the type and intensity of practice, duration, and individual characteristics. Overall, incorporating yoga into a well-rounded lifestyle that includes physical activity, healthy nutrition, and mental well-being can contribute to brain health and overall well-being. Please like, subscribe, and keep learning.